Alright, so we're back inside the Greenhorn garage. What I got behind me is the new front bumper from my Challenger. It is the Hellcat style front bumper from Ikonmotorsports. I understand that you're going to get a lot of haters or a lot of people who like what I'm doing. I probably should have waited due to how complex I think this installation is going to be and the cost of it, because it's pretty expensive. I believe I bought it for about $750 off of eBay. I have done some research on installing Hellcat bumpers onto these older style, well, pre-2015 style Challengers. I'm anticipating a lot of fitment issues, hopefully not. I couldn't find any videos regarding, Ikonmotorsports, specifically Hellcat front bumpers, but I'm ready, I'm prepared, I think. And in this video, we're probably just gonna focus on unboxing it, checking out what's inside, and see what we can do and how we're gonna fit things. I'm not buying new, the 2015 Challenger headlights, because I just bought these headlights and I'm gonna make those work. So we'll see what happens. Alright, so I just took everything out of the box. For just under $800, this is what you're looking at from Ikonmotorsport for the Hellcat front bumper. I noticed inside the box there's no paddings or styrofoam or anything like that, which is not bad. I don't think anything's damaged from what I'm seeing. They were all covered in these plastic sheets, and I went ahead and took all, what I wanted out so that you guys can see what I'm seeing. It's not fiberglass, is polyurethane. I don't know what kind of material that is, some kind of plastic. I'm not a body shop kind of guy. There's this foam bar and the front lip. Not gonna lie, the lip is probably the only reason why I wanted a Hellcat front bumper. If they would have just made the lip compatible with my 2013 Challenger, I probably would have just bought the lip and never even touch the bumper, but it doesn't work. You're gonna have to cut it and it doesn't look the same, so that's why I'm replacing the entire bumper. And that's basically it. Oh yeah, it does come with these nuts and bolts too, which I am unsure of where they go exactly, so we'll figure out when I actually install it. So if I offended anyone with my lack of terminologies, I apologize in advance. I'm not a mechanic. I'm not a body shop car guru or anything like that. And if you know the correct terminologies, please let me know in the comment, and I'll correct myself in the future, and I'll try not to let it happen again. Alright, so that's going to be it for this video, just a quick unboxing. If you have any questions regarding the front bumper, go ahead and ask in the comment section, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. If you already done this kind of conversion or planning on doing it, let me know what kind of kit you're using and how you did it. Maybe I can learn a thing or two. For anyone else who's interested in the things I'm doing on this channel, add me on Instagram and definitely subscribe. What you can expect is a lot of CBR 600 mods, Mustang, and my Challenger. I do plan on getting a cruiser sometime in the future. I might have to sell the CBR first, who knows. But I really want to buy a cruiser when I can afford it. So if you do want to help a brother out, go ahead and go to projectoni.com and check out the merchandise. I am wearing a Project Oni hoodie, and you probably will see me wear a lot more Project Oni gear throughout my videos. Like I said, go to the website, check out what it's about. Maybe you'll like it and you want to support it. or maybe just find something you like and want to buy it. I am also coming out with Greenhorn Garage gear, so be on the lookout for that, and I appreciate the support.